unstructured supplementary services data. Anyway, it's a long word. But any of these things which start with *1 or star something and then hash, these are USSD codes. These are typically good for menu-based or session-based transactions where you have to remember a set of steps as you execute your transaction. So for example, M-Pesa, you have to remember the phone number, you have to remember the amount, your PIN number, etc. This is a use of USSD, as well as also as you check your balance, etc. So for example, say in a university setting, you should have the university with the USSD menu such that you can check courses, check course outlines, check grades, etc. Again, these are open tools apparently on Airtel, and then we create the logic, or anyway, depending on the scenario that we have in view. For coming around WAP, that is wireless application protocols, this is internet for small screen. So we are talking here about browsing on your handset. There are specific things that are there for mobile handset browsing that are not there on the desktop and vice versa. There is limited bandwidth on the phone, there is limited computing power, there is limited memory, etc. So this is why we have this thing around mobile web, mobile internet. So for example, Flash is not well displayed on a mobile device. So there is a lot of content adaptation that goes on behind the scenes to make many of these websites fit your mobile handset. So your typical websites like Facebook and Twitter, there's a lot of things that go on in the background to make sure it works well. And I would encourage you to start learning from it. Some things like best practice, like no sideways scrolling, not many images that scale, etc. So just to give you an example, you can browse on your handset, Shujaa.mobi, to get an example of a site that has mobile adaptation. Then at the end of the talk, you can tell me the site will detect your handset brand, your handset make, so you tell me your handset was detected correctly. This is on an emulator what it looks like. In this part of the world, in Africa, it's more and more so that many people are discovering internet for the first time on their mobile devices, not on the laptop or the desktop. So as you roll out a strategy to have a site, always think mobile at the same time. So this is just some of the things. So on the site we are hosting applications, etc. Coming to applications, mobile applications, these are the ones you keep hearing about, the J20 or JUB now, Android, the iPhone, etc. There's a lot of, there are a number of platforms. It's been fragmented, but in time there's consolidation happening because of the market economics. So you'll see, for example, CPM has been dropped by Nokia, Migo has been dropped as well, and so in time there will be very few operating systems, maybe 2 to 3 in the future. I'm willing to bet Android, Windows Mobile, and iOS will be the long-term